NIO Stock is literally going insane, guys, and there are multiple EV stocks that we must go over. So if you are new to the channel, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and drop a like.
Especially, I would say, among institutional investors whose analysts on the auto sector, for example, are mostly value analysts. So there are a lot of those disconnects in the world that are creating great opportunities for us. And so I wanted to say that at the outlet because Will is onto something. You know, there are trends evolving here that are really fostering a lot of skepticism, especially the growth rates and the sustainability of the growth rates. But our research based on Wright's Law gives us an extreme sense of confidence that we are on the right track.
A key number to watch in the coming days is NIO Stock. Shares of Tesla and NIO rallied Thursday after several stock analysts recommended investors buy the respective leaders in their electric vehicle markets while setting bullish price targets. China-based NIO Stock shot up 9.8% after suffering a 15.2% year-to-date drop. In comparison, SHE had gained 3.8% this year through Wednesday. Chinese electric car makers add $13.65 billion in value as Tesla surges. NIO, Li Auto, and XPeng have had huge rallies so far. NIO is up over 1,000% in the last 12 months. XPeng's share price has nearly doubled since its initial public offering in August. All three automakers have also released their forecast for vehicle deliveries for the first quarter. NIO said it expects to deliver 20,000 to 20,500 cars in the March quarter, higher than the December quarter. XPeng, meanwhile, expects deliveries of 12,500 vehicles in the first quarter, down slightly from the fourth quarter. Li Auto said it would deliver between 10,500 and 11,500 cars in the first 3 months of 2021, lower than its fourth quarter deliveries. The first quarter involved the Chinese New Year holiday. In February, retail sales of so-called new energy passenger vehicles reached 97,000, an increase of 675% year-on-year, according to the China Passenger Car Association. In February 2020, almost the whole of China was effectively locked down to deal with the outbreak, accounting for a low base. But the February 2021 figures were a decrease of 37.9% from January. Also, Swiss bank UBS predicts that the battle for dominance in electric vehicles will heat up over the next few years, with one company rising to join Tesla in the top 2 companies for global EV sales. The Swiss bank recently increased its forecast for how quickly electric vehicles will be adopted and is now predicting that EV will penetrate 100% of the automobile market by 2040. That means the battle to be the most dominant car maker is worth hundreds of billions of dollars. Vijay Rakesh, a prolific stock analyst, initiated coverage of Tesla with a buy rating, making him one of just 11 of 35 analysts surveyed by FactSet who are bullish. He set a stock price target of $775, which is 12% above current levels. The average target of analysts surveyed by FactSet is $631.71. Rakesh said Tesla is a 100-year disruptor driving an electric future for the light vehicle production market. He said it isn't just EV production that gives Tesla defensible EVs leadership in the global market. The company's advanced battery and advanced drive assistance systems, ADAS, also provide a moat. Tesla drives the tip of the spear in battery development for EVs, Rakesh wrote in a note to clients. We see Tesla as a leader for the next decade and beyond, Rakesh added. With less than 1% share of the global LVP market, he believes Tesla has room for significant growth, as EV are expected to grow to 25% of global LVP by 2025 compared with current share of 3% to 4%. The bullish call comes after a volatile period for Tesla's stock, which recently entered a bear market for the third time in a year, then enjoyed its biggest one-day gain in more than a year earlier this week. For NIO, Rakesh started coverage with a buy rating and set his price target at $60, which is 32% above current levels. Rakesh becomes one analyst who are bullish, but his price target is the lowest of those in the bullish camp. He noted that NIO's program enables a 5 to 10-minute battery swap for customers that cuts upfront buying costs for customers by 35% to 50%. With a small 0.1% share of the global LVP market, He believes NIO has significant growth potential as it expands in China, into Europe in the second half of 2021 and potentially into other markets. NIO stock has also been volatile of late, as after more than doubling in the fourth quarter and running up another 17% in January, it reached a record close of $62.84 on Feb 9. It has pulled back sharply since then, closing Wednesday 34.2% below its record. Shares of the China-based electric vehicle company jumped close to 7% after Mizuho initiated coverage on the stock with a buy rating. The firm slapped a $60 price target on the stock, which is 45% above where shares closed on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Despite recent volatility, Tesla's stock has still soared 445.5% over the past 12 months and NIO shares have rocketed 1,266.6%, while the S&P 500 has advanced 43.9%.